Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you saw on the title, we will be doing Boston studio apartment tour. To give you a little bit of background about this house is actually my fiance's apartment. He was living at Boston, but we will be moving to New York this Saturday. Actually, I live there, but he's coming with me, so we have some situations like that. And every time I came here, I think that we are going out. We are not going out. Just to say another thing about this apartment is this is actually all Anil's selection about the furniture, but I have my little touches here and there, and I will be mentioning about that. So we can start the apartment tour officially. I wanted to start from the door because when I turn around you will probably see the whole apartment, and I thought this will be a good idea to start with this view. We enter from the door. Next to the door to the right we have our shoe rack. We put our shoes there. I forcibly bought this for Anil. I thought it will be a good idea to have something in here and store our shoes. And after pandemic we have our new accessory here. It's a box. We keep our used masks in here and then throw them away. And I also bought some picture frames for him to put some pictures, but as you can see it's still as is, and we have the price tag as well. But we are trying to decorate here, so it's better than nothing. And I have some pictures with the cactus and a little bowl that we keep our keys and Mika's poop bags as well, and some other Mika stuff, so it will be easier just to put her harness and just leave at the apartment. Then we are coming here, and the first thing that you will see is the bathroom in the right. We are opening the door, and this is a really big bathroom for a studio in my opinion, because I live in New York and I know how apartments are small and the bathrooms are smaller. So this is a huge improvement, I guess, for a Boston apartment. I will just get it from along here. So just to show you, this is me. We have a huge mirror in here. This is a classical bathroom. I don't need to show anymore. There's nothing special about it. This is a shower curtain that Anil picked with his selection, which I don't like it, but I'm not saying anything about it. The good thing that we have in here is this mirror. It also opens and it's a storage. It's a good area. I wish they had something in here, but you have a huge mirror. We have a storage here as well, and actually I store my makeup bags and little bags in here, but because for the sake of this video I removed them, so I just left these lipsticks and lip balms that I use every day, brushes and Mika's balls, because if she sees that she wants to play, so I just hide it here for now. And we are leaving the door. We have our second door. As you recognize, this is our washer and dryer area. Mika's interested as well, and I am sure you are surprised why I have this in here. This is our shopping cart. We use this a lot during the pandemic shopping, because when we were shopping we bought so many like heavy things, and it will be easier for us to carry with this, and I'm so happy with the purchase that I have. Our third door in here is like a kind of pantry, but we are storing here a lot of different things, including our vacuums, home stuff, I don't know what you call it, some extra towels, bed sheets, and my air fryer, which I named Robocop because this looks like similar to Robocop, and because we don't have any space it's like on the top. And that's all the storage area that we have. And we are turning to the right, you can see our kitchen. It's like really self-explanatory. I don't need to explain anything, I guess. It's just a simple kitchen. We don't have anything very extraordinary in here. We have dishwasher, oven, and this is my little touch about this area, decorative area. We have this jar. It's like currently empty because we are out of our coffee pots, but and we put our like Keurig pots in here, and it's like some decoration idea, and it's easy to get the coffee and make it from here. After moving from the kitchen, you will see our living room area. It's at the same time my working space for the time being. I work on this desk and it's a like multifunctioning area, I guess. We have our L-shaped couch. It actually was in this area, which you will see in a few minutes, but we decided to shift here. It actually needs to be here, but probably the architects think about putting the TV in here because we wanted to divide the kitchen area and the living space area and have some circulation space because of the Mika as well, because she likes running around the apartment. We decided to put the couch here and create a, like our own living room space. So that's why they are here. Mind the cables because the cable management in here is not the best right now. This is a really big, huge table which I don't like it, but Anil wanted to get it because it also stores some things and maybe you want to see. It's like a really messy because we are going tomorrow. I didn't organize it well, but we have so many stuff in here. It's a good storage area, but again, the table gets a lot of space in this area. We have our blankets, pillows. I forced Anil to buy some pillows because we needed them. He was like refusing at first, but after we got this plushy pillow, he decided we need more pillows and we added other two. This is Ikea Console. Everything you will see probably is from Ikea except this table. And we have Mika's water bowl and food bowl in here, and when you turn around here, you can come. It is our little balcony, which is Mika's favorite space. We have some outdoor rug in here, and this is Mika's, I'm not sure if you can see because I don't want to open and disturb her, but Mika's outside sleeping and resting and looking out space. She usually goes there, sunbath there in the mornings. I bought this table. We didn't use it and it's a little big for this balcony, but I showed some of my YouTube videos there, so it was useful, I guess. But I don't like the chair in here. Anna really likes it and thinks it's comfy, but I think it's like a really big chair. Then we are moving to our bedroom area. As you can see, we entered from this door. This is kitchen. Anil is standing in the living room area, and this is the bedroom and Anil's workspace area. He has his gaming setup, as you can see, which I'm going to mention. I'm also streaming. I started the Twitch stream weekdays and weekends. I'm doing English and Turkish streams, so you are welcome to join on my streams. I will be very happy and say hi to you and talk about anything that you want to talk about, not just gameplay because I'm not good at games, but that's not the point of this video. I'm just going to link down below everything, the information, so you can join. But the story about this desk is it is like electronic. You can just arrange the height. It is Anil's work desk, which they closed their office because of the pandemic, and now they are working from home, and they said you can take the things that you want from the office, and he decided to get it. But we are not going to take this desk to our New York apartment because we don't have enough space, and we already have a really long desk space, and I don't like the dark furniture. That's why probably we will be selling this furniture. I will keep you updated about this piece if you want to buy it, because in the coming weeks probably we will be selling some of our furniture. So if you're interested, keep on my Instagram. I will keep you updated. This is story about that. This is our bed. There's nothing to say about that. This is Mika's princess bed, which we bought when we came here. So we have two beds currently. One of them is in the dressing room. I will show you. And just to quickly mention about these lights, because we don't have any lights to light this area. I actually bought these light strings for the outside balcony, but because the outlet is not working outside, we decided to use them here, and it was not going all the way, but it's doing the job, so it's fine. And then we have a little puff bed. This is not actually supposed to be here, but we bought it before that bed. for Mika, and they say this is good for pets. It's like stress relieving for them. So we bought it, but she doesn't know how to get in there and sleep. So we use this as side table. As you can see, Anıl has his phone on top of it. And the last area that I'm going to show you in this video is our closet, which I think, again, for a studio, this area and the bathroom could be a little bit smaller, and you can give the square footage the other area. Also, this is 550 square feet apartment. Just to mention, I forgot to mention about that. And this is my full-length mirror that I got a month ago. It was like much needed and very late addition to this apartment. We got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's like $20. Very cheap and very nice over the door mirror that we have. After that, you will enter here. It is, I think it will be good for me, just me, but when you think about Anıl's stuff and clothes, I think it's a really big space for him. But I originally had my stuff in here, but some of them are in the luggage. I put some of the stuff that I'm going to use just for a few days in here. I had hang some my bags here and all the storage area. I have my secondary screen and Mika's secondary bed in here. Also, let me get it from here. We have this Ikea, very popular Ikea furniture, and it is the hardest furniture to assemble, in my opinion. It took so long to do that. We have some masks, perfumes, glasses, Mika's poop bags, brushes, and other kind of stuff. And this is our whole apartment tour. It's a 550 square feet apartment, so there is nothing to show a lot. I just wanted to give you an idea about the Boston apartments if you're interested, and if you're interested in the studio. Again, as I said, when you watch this video, probably we will be in New York already. But hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, write them down below. I like to chat with you guys. Again, if you follow me from Instagram and join my Twitch, I will be very happy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Keep on searching for the missing pieces, try to find the reason why I ended up without you, baby.